tweeted Real Madrid are monitoring the situation of Trent Alexander-Arnold, and now here we go, Trent Alexander-Arnold to Real Madrid.
ब्रेकिंग न्यूज ट्रेंट इज एज गुड एज गॉन टू रियल मैड्रिड। लिवरपूल फैन भाई आप सोशल मीडिया में क्यों रोज
Trent Alexander-Arnold is a Galactico.
Hey, Trent's not doing it for Arnie, mate.
Santiago Bernabeu will be hosting Trent Alexander-Arnold.
Piss me off simultaneously, fam.
Only these man.
Hashtag slot out. Slot out.
How disappointed are you in him?
भाई की शक्ल देखो भाई, दे आर डिसअपॉइंटेड कि ट्रेंट लीव कर रहा है। भाई हम बात क्या कर रहे हैं भाई, एज अ यूनाइटेड फैन दिस इज अमेजिंग टू सी लिवरपूल फैंस फाइनली सफरिंग, कम ऑन भाई, एंड ओवर ट्रेंट अलेक्जेंडर आर्नोल्ड हम बात क्या कर रहे हैं भाई। भाई की शक्ल देखो यार, ही लुक्स लाइक ही कैन क्राई, व्हाट आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट, ओ माय गॉड भाई।
Are you disappointed?
I am disappointed. Right?
Yes! Oh my god, he is disappointed in Trent leaving. भाई this is the worst kept secret in football history. हम बात क्या कर रहे हैं? I am so surprised to see Liverpool fans frustrated over Trent leaving. And again, मैं इन भाइयों की लाइव स्ट्रीम में था आज, मतलब एज अ व्यूअर, एंड इनके लाइव सेशन के कमेंट्स में बहुत लोग कहे थे that a Scouser leaving the club is very sad, and I get that, and I agree. But again, भाई, come on. This is the worst kept secret in football forever. 2 साल से we knew that Trent would leave Liverpool.
I am disappointed. There are a lot
Oh
of
my God.
players जो मतलब गए हैं, जैसे रोनाल्डो।
Exactly.
Although चलो
Ronaldo left United to join Real, but he was not an academy player. Come on, bhai. Come on.
मतलब he was not from Manchester and all that. But Ronaldo भी गया. But Ronaldo made sure he, got a hefty fee for it.
The hefty fee part of it, it comes back repeatedly. Liverpool fans को एक point बन गया है कि that they would get no money for Trent Alexander-Arnold, and he's a young player, an academy player, and उसके उनको पैसे मिलने चाहिए. For me personally, I think that is insane, considering जो Liverpool and FSG are doing with Salah and Van Dijk. These people are not renewing Salah. Bhai, we are talking about Salah genuinely that he can win the Ballon d'Or. I'm a United fan and a Barca fan too, भाई. तो for me, Rafinha का Ballon d'Or पक्का है या Lamine का Ballon d'Or पक्का है. Salah का नाम पर वहाँ पे है still भाई. The amount of goals he has scored, the amount of assists he has this season. उसके बावजूद उसको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं दिया. He is still unsure about his future. Van Dijk, you can make a debate, a good debate, that Van Dijk is still the best defender in the world. I would say Kubarsi, but I would get when you say Van Dijk. चलता है भाई, क्योंकि it's Van Dijk. I'm a United fan saying this. They have not renewed those players. So what are we talking about? What should Trent do in a situation? वो wait करे कि for FSG to give him a new deal. It is insane. I think यहाँ से 5 साल बाद ना, जब ट्रेंट का इंडिया खत्म हो जाएगा and Trent would be able to speak about Liverpool, I think he would tell us that he wanted a new deal. I think in modern football, in modern content, we see a lot of ex-footballers coming out and talking about that. We saw Sol Campbell talking about it, right? We have seen so many ex-players talking about it, that they wanted their clubs to renew them. I think Trent, genuinely मेरे ख्याल से, I think he would have wanted that Liverpool would get some transfer fees. But FSG and Liverpool का जो भी करता है भाई सब, they are so bad in doing transfers. And again, मैं मानता हूँ top of the league, they are top of the league, मैं मानता हूँ. But again भाई, this is insane. How can Trent? No. It is on FSG. It is on Liverpool ownership to do much better here. The people who look for transfers for Liverpool.
Free में जाना is very disappointing.
I agree with that part of it.
News ये सब आ रही है कि 2 साल से this deal was.
Yeah. 2 साल से we knew यार. This is the worst kept secret in modern football. And उसके बावजूद we are here.
क्या है, देख प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि अपने को कभी सच पता नहीं चले.
I'm telling you the सच भाई.
We will never know कि मतलब हमने क्या ऑफर दिया, क्या वो इतना कम था कि
I think so बहुत कम था भाई. I think we know that as a fact भाई. I think how cheap Liverpool are being right now. Listen, I can look at Liverpool and go, भाई, kudos to you guys. You are winning the league. उसके बावजूद you are making your club having standards in salaries कि जहाँ पर तुम अपने players को बोलोगे भाई relax chill. We are in a sad way भाई. They are not United. That they would not give the contracts 100k 200k to those players. मतलब 300 के वाले contracts. I get that. But again, I think Liverpool की जो ownership है, how they dealt with Trent and Salah and Van Dijk, it is a bad example for the rest of the players as well. if you're a Liverpool player right now, you would look at the greatest player in Liverpool history at Salah and go कि भाई अगर उसके ऐसे हो रहा है, so why should have some loyalty to Liverpool? I even saw भाई Real fans are going hard on the paint for Liverpool. भाई they are even singing Konate might join Real. And I agree with that भाई. Konate की deal is up very soon. जो उनका कौन सा good centre back again, good player. भाई same things. We can see these things happening, man. Honestly, it is bad.
कितना ट्राई किया, किसकी तरफ से कितना ट्राई किया?
I think they would have tried to obviously keep Trent, but let's see.
बात बताओ निधि, I think हमें पता चलेगा. मैं तेरे को एक बात बताता हूँ.
Yeah, I agree with that part. I agree with Manas bhai. I agree with him. I think we would for sure come to realize कि Trent और लिवरपूल के बीच में क्या हुआ था. In modern, भाई 2 दिन पहले we saw Jet Spence on Rio Ferdinand के podcast पे, and he was laughing at Martinelli. We are seeing current players by Lamine, जो he's dissing a Spanish reporter. We saw Arda Güler having problems with Szoboszlai. In modern football, we see these things. Players are much open, यार.
मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ.
Tell me why.
Because this is a big moment, huh?
Yes, it is.
In our team, you know, जो हम जिसको हमारा
Scouser in our team. भाई like and subscribe भाइयों. Road to 1 million. भाइयों कितने हो गए? भाई मैं भी भाई मेरा मेन नहीं है भाई, मेरा मेन नहीं है. चिल. भाइयों के 30.3 के है भाई. इट्स अ न्यू चैनल भाई. मैंने सुना go check them out too भाई. Go check them out. AS Footy GG just shouted them out. So कल को they would be at least be on 100k. But I am on a road to 2 million भाई. Road to 2 million people. Like and subscribe. Comment करो, like and subscribe करो. तुम यहाँ तक पहुँच गए तो comment करो. Kubarsi is the best event in the world. क्यों नहीं करोगे भाई? Why would you not भाई? AS Footy GG तुमको कह रहा है. What? Comment करो भाई, like करो, subscribe करो. Road to 2 million. And इन भाइयों को 50 के Mention the Monk. Get them to 100k भाई. Right now. अभी लेके आओ भाई. क्या AS Footy GG shouted them out भाई. क्या बात कर रहे हो? Come on man. Come on.
ये हो सकता है. मेरे को लगता है कि ये लोग बाहर आके पॉल जॉइस को बता दे कि हम
Paul Joyce भाई. That's a reoccurring name when it comes to Liverpool. He's a good source and apparently भाई कह रहे हैं. So I think he might have good leaks, good snitches. Snitches नहीं कहते, क्या कहते हैं? Good information. Snitches नहीं कहते. Good information when it comes to Liverpool.
ने ट्रेंट को ये ऑफर किया था, बट ये डिमांड थी उसकी जो हम लोग.
Okay, interesting. भाई मेरे ख्याल से Trent should at least expect Liverpool to give him 250k right now per week. But अगर उसको वो मिलते भी ना, I think he was set on leaving Liverpool. I think he was destined to join Real. And as a Liverpool hater and a Real hater, उसके बावजूद I'm happy to see Trent go. I'm a Barca fan too. भाई मेरे ख्याल से it would be sad to see Lucas Busquets retire. भाई I think भाई देखो I'm a Real fan. I'm not a Barca, I'm a Real fan. I think Lucas Busquets को renew करना चाहिए. Florentino Perez should give him permanent captaincy हमेशा के लिए. But वो नहीं होता. Trent joins Real and I think he makes them better. And I have इस चैनल पे बहुत बार मैंने बोला हुआ है कि Trent बहुत ख़राब प्लेयर है when it comes to defense, when it comes to he can be a passenger in a team. But जितनी बार रियाल की टीम में कार्लो के टैक्टिक्स जो एग्जिस्ट करते नहीं है, I think that's good by the way. I think कार्लो के हिपस्टर टैक्टिक्स इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग कि जहाँ पे मॉडर्न फुटबॉल में आर्टेटा देखो, रूबन एमन देखो, लाइक सो मेनी मॉडर्न हिपस्टर टैक्टिक्स जहाँ पे गुड प्लेयर्स थ्राइव नहीं करते. इन रियाल में वी सी गुड प्लेयर्स थ्राइविंग एंड बीइंग गुड. इन दैट टीम जितनी बॉल लूकस वास्केस के पास आती है ना, आई जस्ट थिंक कि अगर उतनी पोजेशन ट्रेंट के पास होती, सो इमेजिन ट्रेंट वुड बॉल आउट. एंड लालिगा की बात करें भाई हम, लालिगा इज नॉट द मेजर लीग, लालिगा इज नॉट द प्रीमियर लीग. वहाँ पे ट्रेंट वुड बॉल आउट भाई आराम से. उसके जेन्युइन बोलो तो मेरे ख्याल से 15 असिस्ट के आ जाएंगे आराम से, बहुत प्यार से. 15 असिस्ट फॉर ट्रेंट इन दिस फर्स्ट सीजन वुड बी इनसेन. जितनी बार लूकस वास्केस की विंग पे बॉल आती है, रोड्रिगो के साइड पे बॉल आती है, आई थिंक इट वुड मेक रियाल मच स्ट्रॉन्गर डिफेंसिवली वॉट एवर. वहाँ पे मेरे ख्याल से इफ दे गेट अ न्यू सेंटर बैक टू रिप्लेस रूडिगर एंड अलाबा, रियाल की टीम कैन बी वेरी थ्रेटनिंग फॉर समबडी एल्स भाई. एज अ बार्सा फैन आई एम नॉट स्केयर्ड, बट वॉट एवर भाई.
नहीं करना चाहते थे या फिर बाहर आएगी खबर कि हम जो भी ऑफर कर रहे थे जो उससे कहा उसका माइंड वाज मेड अप.
Exactly, I agree with that part of it. I think Trent would and the owners would confirm कि Trent was set to leave Liverpool anyways. But what about Salah and Van Dijk भाई? I'm still baffled by the situation कि वहाँ पे तुमने क्या करा है. It is insane to me.
मेरे को लगता है ट्रेंट के केस में आएगा because this is not a small thing. This is not a.
It is not a small thing. I agree.
When you respect someone like any other player, this is
Not a small thing, but I think it is too played out. I think we have known this for 2 years. I think we all knew Trent was leaving Liverpool to join Real, and I get the part कि उसको finally to see him leave. Of course, it brings an end to the emotion. तो हमको react करना ही पड़ेगा. I get that it is content for all of us, and not content. It is emotion for all of us. Not all of us. भाइयों के लिए तो of course emotion है, because he's a starting right back for their club. I get that, and he's a young player जहाँ पे इनको at least 40 से 50 मिनट मिलने चाहिए थे इनके at least. And they are not getting that money. I get that they should be mad, but again, by too played out for me at this point, because we knew, and I genuinely think that Liverpool are much better with Trent not in this team. And again, भाई एक बात मेरे को बहुत interesting लगती है. I want to ask Liverpool fans जो देख रहे होगे तुम भाई कि how involved do you think Arne Slot is in these decisions? भाई Salah, Van Dijk, Trent, 3 main players. Trent को छोड़ के Trent is a half main player ऐसे कह लो. How involved do you guys think Arne Slot is? ये तुमको पता है तो मेरे को बताना. That FSG and Liverpool के जो माइकल जो भाई ने नाम दिया माइकल जॉर्डन, like these people are making the decisions without involving Arne Slot. Do you guys think? क्योंकि I cannot believe that at all. I think Arne Slot is involved somehow. किस तरीके से उसका कितना involvement है, कितना impact है, I have no idea honestly. I think at some point he would have said to them कि भाई ट्रेंड को जान दो. It is not a big issue. I think Van Dijk would get renewed, and I think Salah would leave eventually. It's sad to see. Sad किसके लिए? मेरे लिए तो पक्का नहीं है. But again भाई तुम्हारे sad है तो I don't know. I don't care. I care. I'm joking. I think Salah is fantastic. I think Salah should get retired. Salah should live in a much better way. ऐसे नहीं.
player, world class player, and our player.
World class player Trent? Question mark. I don't think Trent is world class.
ओवर में भड़क सकते हैं, बुरा लगेगा, बट ये चीज जो हुई है ना निधि, ये बहुत सारे लोकल्स को भी हर्ट करेगी.
I think it would hurt the locals a lot more because they are Scousers, and जो जेमी कैरेगर ने लास्ट ईयर बोला था मेरे ख्याल से, अब मेरे ख्याल से उसको 1 साल हो गया भाई. टाइम फ्लाइज भाई ऐसे. Like even Jamie Carragher dissing Casemiro was a year ago almost. So I think that was a year ago too. हमको तब से पता है, and I think local Scousers because of Jamie Carragher and जो media pressure वहाँ से आएगा, I think they would pile on Trent. It is sad to see because Trent deserves to leave Liverpool and join Real at some point. But we saw Jude being so good at Real. I think Trent deserves that too.
तो मेरे हिसाब से I'm not saying the exact terms and details and
exact terms yeah. पक्का नहीं आएगी.
हुआ थोड़ा behind the scenes, हमने क्या ऑफर किया था ये सब निकलेगा. मेरे को ऐसा
I think क्या ऑफर करा था I don't know exactly वो बता पाएंगे, but I think they would come out and kind of hint in a way कि Trent was set to join Real anyways to make themselves look good. But जो Trent कहते हैं ना, that is more interesting to me because the club Liverpool would definitely lie. वो झूठ ही बोलेंगे भाई. Why would they come out and tell you guys कि ट्रेंट को हमने ऑफर करा था इतना पैसा and Trent did not want to stay? Like what they would not tell you that. मतलब they would tell you that, sorry. But it would be interesting to see कि Trent क्या कहता है. Would Trent come out and say like David Beckham that I wanted to stay at Liverpool and मेरे को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफर नहीं मिला, that I think I deserved. Interesting भाई, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग. इनके कमेंट्स देते हैं एक बार. भाई they are sponsored by बोट है ना भाई. बोट स्पॉन्सर में 2 यार. बोट आई एम लिटरली फीलिंग बोट स्टफ राइट नाउ यार. बोट स्पॉन्सर में 2 भाई. अभी तो नहीं बट डेफिनेटली वन डे. या भाई बोट नहीं तो एप्पल. भाई बोट भाई तुम हरामखोरी करो भाई. एप्पल, स्टीव जॉब्स, माइकल जॉर्डन स्पॉन्सर नहीं भाई. बोट नहीं करती. बोट भाई बोट आर स्पॉन्सरिंग देम नॉट मी. कम ऑन भाई, डिसग्रेस. अगर मेरे को एप्पल करो भाई, सैमसंग, सोनी, पैनासोनिक, कोई भी भाई. दिस कुड बी एनीथिंग भाई. आई वुड सेल आउट लाइक दिस भाई. ऐसे भाई इस वीडियो पे ना अगर मेरे को एप्पल स्पॉन्सर करे मैं इसको डिलीट कर दूंगा. आई वुड से कि मेरे को मैंने एप्पल के पहने हुए थे भाई. जो स्पॉन्सर करेगा उसका प्रोडक्ट भाई. कम ऑन, क्या बात करे भाई. आई वुड से भाई आई कैन नॉट वेट टू सेल आउट भाई. बस मेरे को स्पॉन्सर करो तो यार. कम ऑन भाई. भीख नहीं मांगूंगा भाई. भीख नहीं मांगूंगा. हो आई थिंक दिस What? I think this finally marks the end of that is dislike by. I can't dislike because I'm not a hater and loser. But I dislike that comment because Szoboszlai and McAllister, I think great players that came in Klopp era that made Arne Slot ki team right now much fantastic. That made it possible for Arne Slot to come and be so great na disgrace. End of Klopp era nahi. I think no, I disagree. As a Manchester, welcome Trent. But please guys, no disrespect to Liverpool fans. It's a transfer, it happens in the world of football. Come on, hut. What? Abey chal. What? Nahi. Corner wasn't even taken that by. Wow. Con bahut shabash bete, shabash. Seems like Manas is about to cry. Dude, let go. Players come and go. Club never stops. What? By whatever भाई. देखो अब मेरे को क्या बोलूं भाई मैं यहाँ पे. I don't know what to say. All Real Madrid fans like me, please कोई comment section में गंद मत मचाना. It is emotional for them. Let them have it. ये लो भाई, as a Barca जो भाई ने लिखा है. Apart from Barcelona, what? As a Barcelona fan, apart from Barcelona, I have soft corner for Man United. We are fans who put values ahead over trophies and success. Get the what? क्या बात कर रहा है भाई ये? I have soft corner. By the unirony, the hip. Oh my god, भाई, that is so hilarious. Soft corner. By a Barca fan mentioning corner to Liverpool in a Liverpool comment section. By that the unirony. नहीं. The unirony is hilarious, भाई. Soft corner is insane. We cannot say corner as a Barca fan to Liverpool ever. नहीं भाई, F Liverpool. What? Come on भाई, खत्म. खल्लास. भाई Manas and Nidhi भाई, listen. I think Trent leaving Liverpool. For me personally, I think you guys are much better. Liverpool fans, Liverpool nation अगर exist करता है वो, क्योंकि Barca nation, Ace Footy nation exist करता है, तुम्हारा नाम कुछ और होगा भाई, Liverpool Hive या ऐसा कुछ. Liverpool Hive. I think, listen, तुम लीग जीत गए, चमके रहो बेटे. Next year, we नहीं, United are back up. Next season, Ruben Amorim के Mighty Devils, Mighty Reds, title charge. I'm lying. He's trash. Ruben Amorim is trash. He cannot win us the league. अभी तो नहीं लग रहा. But whatever भाई, whatever. कोई बात ही नहीं भाई. Like and subscribe. यहाँ पे भी और इन भाइयों को भी. I'm on road to 2 million. Let me get to 2 million ऐसे भाई, ऐसे. Board, Apple sponsor me. And इन भाइयों को भाई 100k. भाई comment Ace Footy GG sent you guys. इनकी वीडियोस पे भाई न्यू चैनल है यार. कम ऑन, दे आर न्यू चैनल. शो देम लव. कम ऑन भाई, मैंने बोले भाई एस फूटी जीजी ने बोले भाई, क्या बात कर रहे हो. लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. रोड टू 2 million. बाय.